Children, let's see the second sum, which is problems on ages. The sum of the present age of Salman and his father is 70 years. So as we have seen the first sum, can you tell me what are the two parameters? The two parameters are nothing but the present age of Salman and the second one being present age of his father. So let me not read the entire sum. Let me write down those initial conditions. What I shall write down as, let the present age of Salman be X years and let the present age of his father be Y years. Present age of Salman be X and that of father be Y years. Now we read the sum once again. The sum of the present age of Salman and his father is 70 years as per first given condition. As I kept on saying in the first video itself, henceforth I shall be writing given condition as GC. Sum of present ages of Salman and his father. So Salman and his father is 70. As I said in the previous video itself, that there are two ways. One is understand the English and the second is frame it word by word. And what we prefer? We prefer word by word. X plus Y is 70, equation number 1. Children, now what I'm going to say is what you are going to remember and drill this inside your mind. The next three words are 5 years back. How many words did we read it? We read 3 words. 5 years back. 3 words, 3 lines. Keep this in mind. 3 words, 3 lines. 5 years back. First line. Immediately, do not read the question further. Please do not read the question further. Age of Salman was, since it is back, was, past tense, X minus 5 years. Age of his father was, father's present being Y, Y minus 5 years. Children, this is what I was talking about, 1, 2 and 3. 3 words, 3 lines. Whenever you come across 5 years back, 5 years ago, 3 years hence, 3 years later. So when they say 5 years back or 5 years ago, we go for minus. When they say 3 years hence, 3 years later, we go for plus. And always frame these statements first and then only proceed with the next question. I mean the next part of the question. Next equation. Not before that, children. That's the reason I said 3 words and 3 lines. Keep this in mind, children. 5 years back. Father's age, as per second given condition. As per second given condition. Father's age. Is this the father's age? Is this the father's age? So Y minus 5. Father's age was 5 times the then age of Salman. Don't look more into the English part. The then age means age of Salman at that time. That is 5 years back. The then means age of Salman at that time. That is 5 years back. Father's age was 5 times. Parenthesis. Then age of Salman 5 years back was X minus 5. I hope my children have understood. Framing is done. Bring it so as to get a simultaneous linear equation equal to 0 format or equal to constant format. So it is Y minus 5, 5X minus 25. Bring this Y over here, minus 25 over here. So it's minus 5 plus 25 is equals to 5X minus Y. So can I say 5X minus Y is equals to minus 5 plus 25? Minus 5 plus 25 plus 20. Equation number 2. Now children, pick up any one variable and check whose coefficient is the same. That's what we have been doing consistently. So what will you pick up? X or Y? Come on children, by this time we'll pick up Y. Why will pick up Y? Because the coefficient of Y over here is 1. Here is 1. What are the signs? Opposite signs, being plus and over here minus. Same coefficient. Opposite signs means add. Adding equations. Adding equations 1 and 2. When I add equation 1 and 2, let me frame it here so it becomes easy for you. When I add 1 and 2, what it shall be? X plus y is equals to 70. Here 5x minus y is equals to 20. We simply go for adding. X plus 5x, 6x, plus y minus y gets cancels off. We are left with 90. X is 90 by 6. X is 15. X is 15. Now substitute. Substitute x equals to 15 in which equation, children? First one, very simple. In equation 1. Have a habit, as I said earlier also, have a habit of writing the equation completely. X plus y is 70. 15 plus y is 70. Fellow going there. Y is equals to 70 minus 15. Answer is 55. So what is the present age of Salman? The present age of Salman is the present age of Salman, which is nothing but x, is 15 years, and that of father, the present age of his father, which is nothing but y, is 55 years. Are we done, children? No. What did I say? What did I say in the last video? Always go for cross-checking your answer. So, how are you going to cross-check your answer? The sum of the present ages of Salman and his father. Present age, sum is 70. 55 plus 15. 70. Cross-check the even second one also. 5 years back. So just tell me, what will be the age of Salman, or what was the age of Salman 5 years back? 15 minus 5, 10. What was his father's age? 55 minus 5, 50. Here it is 10, here it is 50. Is father 5 times that of Salman? That's what the condition says. Father was 5 times age of Salman. So we are absolutely correct. Children, word problems are very easy the moment you frame the equation. What lies, I won't say it's a difficulty part, but yes, what lies is framing an equation. Once that is done, sums are very, very easy.